Hello everyone. In this video, I'll give a short overview of Anthos Developer Sandbox. Anthos Developer Sandbox allows you to develop, build, test and debug application code on top of Kubernetes, GKE and Anthos. The good thing about this is it's completely free and you can try this with your personal Gmail account. Anthos Developer Sandbox includes 4 components. The first one is Cloud Shell. The second one is Cloud Code, which is a graphical user interface for you to develop code as well as test and debug. The third one is the Minikube, which is basically your local Kubernetes environment, and the fourth one is Cloud Build, which allows you to have a CI/CD pipeline that is available locally. In this example, I will take a simple Python application and show an integrated Kubernetes development experience with it. Let me create a developer sandbox now and clone the GitHub project and import it into my sandbox. With Cloud Code, you can pretty much stay within your IDE and look at the state of your Kubernetes clusters and deploy your applications into your Kubernetes cluster directly from within the IDE. So what you see here is a simple Python Hello World application. Also, I've already deployed the application before. You can see the Kubernetes pods as well as the Minikube status that is available. So now we can also see the Docker file that is used to build the container image. And let's also look at the Kubernetes manifest files. This is the Hello deployment manifest file and the Hello service manifest file. Now let's trigger the deployment by clicking on Run on Kubernetes. What this will do is build the container image and deploy it to the local Minikube cluster. And whenever we make any additional code changes, it will automatically trigger the build. Now that the build is done, let's look at the the locally exposed port number, and we can see the Hello World application running. Now let's make a small change to our application. And what we can see is whenever we make a change to the application and save it, Cloud Code automatically triggers a build, and which will make a new container image and push that image to the registry and then deploy it to the Minikube cluster. And now we can see the new application deployed. Now what we will do is let's make a small change to our manifest file and change the number of replicas from 1 to 3. And whenever we make this change, the new change automatically triggers a new deploy, and that triggers the deployment with 3 replicas. And as you can see now, the 2 more replicas are getting created now. We can also see the Kubernetes status by looking at the deployments and seeing that the number of replicas deployed are 3. We all know working with Kubernetes YAML files is painful. Cloud Code makes it easy to work with Kubernetes manifest file by providing pre-built templates as well as auto completion. Now that we have created a simple deploy, let's use Cloud Build to create a CI/CD pipeline. And what we will do is, previously we had used a Docker file. Now we will use a build pack to build a container image without a Docker file and push that image to Minikube. We see the build is successful, but there is an assertion error because the testing has failed. So what we will do is, it was expecting Hello Anthos and we had a Hello World. So basically what we will do now is we will change the code to reflect a past test case and then re-trigger the Cloud Build. Okay, so this time we see that the CI/CD pipeline is successful. Now that we have a successful CI/CD pipeline, let's take this image and deploy it on Cloud Run with a local emulator. Cloud Run is a wrapper on top of Knative. Now that the Cloud Run build is successful, we can check that local port and we can see the application running successfully. Thanks for watching.